Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will see how we create an work group in the Bitrix24, and by the end you will have all the insights you need. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to log in our Bitrix24 account, and in the left side corner we will get an work group option. Just click on that work group option. Now we will see here is the create option. Just click on that option. Here you will get project, collab and work group option. Just click on work group. If you want to give the work group name, then you can give the name. I'm giving right now work one. If you want to add description, then you can add over there. If any theme you want to add, then you can add. Also, there are extended parameters. If you want to add tags, then you can add, and also whichever features you want, then you can select from the list. Then click on next. Now here is the privacy setting. You can choose any of them as per your need. I am selecting public, clicking on next. Now here you will see that is workgroup owner, workgroup moderator and team members. If you want to add team members and workgroup moderators and owners to your workgroup, then you can add and click on next. Now we will see our work group has been now created. So this is so simple to create an workflow. So that's all for today. I hope you found this tutorial very helpful. If you have any questions and want to learn more, then you can comment below on your channel video. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and like subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Thank you.